Alright, so I have encountered conversations and come across people where they think that being alone or staying alone for longer periods of time may result in depression or loneliness. I beg to differ. I feel that a little solitude to refocus and clear your mind is great ever so often. Now let's see what the dictionary has to say. Solitary, lonely, alone, only one. And solitude, lonely place. Being alone and being lonely are two different things, two completely different entities. The thing is that you can feel alone, you can feel lonely, even when you are surrounded by your friends and family, and you can still feel upbeat and all gung ho about the situation when you are sitting alone, all by yourself, having yourself and nobody else for your company. As a single child, I have found myself to be alone most of the times. But I have never found myself to be lonely. There are so many things which I used to do at home or by myself. Really felt good. From picking up audio cassettes to joining them and making a train out of it, where each audio cassette represented a coach of a train, and then thinking of the train moving within stations from one destination to another. To shadow practicing for several hours, forgetting about breakfast, lunch, or dinner, just honing on to the skills and trying to improve on it day in, day out. To imagining a bowler bowling to me in the nets and me practicing each and every shot in the book of cricket. Or just pinning down the squad of two teams and following it up with a scorecard later. Or just being super creative, thinking of creating my own youth magazine and getting it published someday. So instead of feeling lonely when you're sitting all by yourself, there are so many things that can be accomplished. One of them being sitting alone, taking a back seat and introspecting about situations, about yourself, gaining a perspective about things, about life at large. And it really helps to focusing on your mind. Or in this particular case, when I sit down alone to pen down the script for this video, shoot this video, edit this video, all done by myself, all alone. So while you're alone, don't feel lonely. Enjoy your own company, find your inner self, your inner peace, and make life good for yourself and those around you. Feel good and do good. It's just like Newton's third law of motion, except that the reaction is not opposite. So when you are happy, you are in a much better position to keep the people around you happy. And when the people around you are happy, then you as an individual is in a happy space. You see, the larger point that I'm trying to make here is that for you to enjoy someone else's company or vice versa, it is very important for you as an individual to first and foremost enjoy your own company. Because the journey from solitary to solitude to solace and to peace is a mighty fine one.